Good day, professionals. This is Grady from Monroe Consulting Group. I'm from Industrial Division. I'm currently working with our client, that is multinational client, coming to Indonesia to develop their business, establish their operation in Indonesia. And basically they are in the building material business, especially for landscapes. That could be good for hotels, apartments, or etc. And I'm currently looking for a good quality candidates for a sales manager positions that have a good proven track record for sales, experience 5 to 7 years, and also need to have an architectural design educational background. So if you are the person or the candidate that match with this requirement, please feel free to contact us or send your CV to us so we can discuss this further. Thank you.